Painters and drawers have this thing called a visual library, and they have a hard and a soft library. Everything they've seen in the world is in these hard and soft visual libraries. The soft library is the thing they've seen in media and all the abstractions they've seen in the world, and just conceptual things about design and how to do their art. And the hard library is the things they've studied, the actual lines and shapes they have to make to create a painting or a drawing. Having a wide variety of things in your soft library is going to really help you be creative and, do your thing as an artist. But it's also really important to have a wide variety of things in your hard library so you actually know how to draw things, because without that, you're just going to draw some conceptual shit, which could be cool, but if you want to do portraiture, you better know how to actually draw noses. Like I can't. I hope you're thinking about the analogy between this visual library and as musicians, because I think it's not a stretch to say that we have an audio library as well of all the music we've heard, and by extension all the sounds we've heard. It's all in our audio library. So we can train our audio soft library by listening to new genres that we haven't heard, by listening to the classics and maybe the more obscure types of music. And that all sits in our soft library. And all the things you study, the genre you are familiar with, that gets stuck in your hard library. If you studied funk, you'll know what kind of guitar is on there, what kind of melodies are on there, what kind of bass line is on there, usually a 4-on-the-floor kick drum. That kind of stuff. How well are you practicing your hard audio library? Because my guess is it's not a very broad hard library. You might have a very broad hard library. Most people don't, because they get stuck in kind of one genre. And it's good to have a nice, wide library. Visual artists try to have this wide library, and it makes sense for them to have one. Why doesn't it make sense for musicians to have one? Why do we get stuck in a single genre? If we listen to many of the greatest artists and the greatest albums, I've been going through a lot of classic albums, you'll hear that they have a big soft library, but oftentimes they also have a big hard library. They can do many different styles at once, and they marry them in a unique new way, and it becomes a classic. Train your hard library by actually making new genres of music. If you're an electronic musician, why not make some funk? If you're a funk musician, why not make some electronic? Make some classic. Make some singer-songwriter. Why not write a musical? It's all good practice, and it's only going to make your music better. Okay, that's it. This video is inspired by another YouTuber called Cynics. He makes excellent videos about painting and drawing. I stole this topic directly from him, translated it to music talk. If you're interested in painting and drawing at all, go check out his videos. He's really good. There's more reading material in the description about this topic. What did you think of the video? Did you love it? Did you hate it? What would you rate it? You're the best. You're the best. What should I talk about next? And leave a like if you like, and please subscribe. Wait, I've heard that before.